So we went to the Louisiana Mud Fest, and I've been abusing the shit out of the Jeep for the last year. Hubs have been on for about 2 years. Abused the shit out of them for a year, and then abused the shit out of them for another year. And out there, I got stuck and I hammered the shit out of it. Looks like I sheared off a shaft right there, which is cool if you'll notice it. Just replace that shaft and didn't damage anything else, didn't tear up any yokes or whatever. And I'll tell you something kind of interesting. The little locker didn't bust. The shaft sheared. I hammered the shit out of it. I hammered the shit out of it. We heard it. But here's our hubs. So there's, see, got our bearings in the back. They still got a little bit of grease. They're not completely dry. They got those built-in seals. And remember, we just knocked these 35 by 20 millimeter bearings out. And we can replace them. We can replace these bearings. That's what we're going to do. We're going to clean them up. And we're going to put them back on. We're going to throw on a new shaft. On the passenger side. And we're going to roll with it. We're going to roll with it. That's what's the nice thing about hubs, gang. If you break something, you can almost always unlock those things and go home. I did. Sure did. All the way to Louisiana.